Top 8 climbing houseplants to decorate your walls. Looking for houseplants that can grow on walls just like Pothos? In this video, we'll introduce 8 beautiful trailing plants that will make your home greener and more stylish. One. Pothos. Fast-growing, low maintenance, and thrives in both low and bright light. Use wall hooks or string to guide its growth. 2. Heartleaf Philodendron. With its heart-shaped leaves and easy care, it's a perfect choice for indoor vertical decor. 3. Syngonium. This plant features arrow-shaped leaves and comes in various colors, adding a vibrant touch to your walls. 4. English Ivy. A fast-growing evergreen climber that can attach to walls or trellises. Great for purifying the air. 5. Monstera Adansonii. Its unique, hole-filled leaves give a modern and tropical look to your space. 6. Grape Ivy. Also known as Grape Ivy, it has shiny, lush green leaves and grows beautifully indoors. 7. Hoya. With its glossy, succulent-like leaves and fragrant flowers, Hoya is an elegant trailing plant. 8. Peperomia Scandens. A charming vining plant with heart-shaped leaves, perfect for hanging or wall-mounted pots. 8. Care tips for healthier growth. Use trellises, wall hooks, or string to train the vines. Provide indirect light and water regularly, but avoid overwatering. Wipe the leaves occasionally to keep them clean and healthy. Which of these plants do you have at home? Let us know in the comments. Speech balloon sparkles. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more plant care tips.